Is your iPhone battery draining fast after the iOS 26.5 update, dropping from 100% to 70% way too quickly? This usually happens because of background apps, location services, or system bugs after the update. And watch till the end. I'll share a secret tip that most people miss, but it can save a lot of battery. Solution 1. Turn on low power mode. Go to settings, tap on battery, and then power mode. And now turn on low power mode. Solution 2. Turn off background app refresh. Go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on background app refresh. Now tap on background app refresh again, and now turn it off. Solution 3. Optimize location services. Go to settings, scroll down. Now tap on privacy and security. Now tap on location services. And now open apps one by one, like I am opening Bongo, and turn the location access to while using this app. This will minimize your location services using by default apps, so it can be save your battery. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, then reset all settings. After that, tap reset all settings again. That's all today's video. If this worked, then please like and share it with your friends who are facing the same issue. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe for daily iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching.